Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining in. So for the last few weeks I have been showing you and coming up with ideas for storage for my crafting items in my small crafting space. And now I am down to finding and creating storage for all of my glues, glue sticks, glue gun, and all of my different types of glues, as well as my paints, my small bottles of paints, and my cans of spray paint. And as you can see here, I have my small bottles that were all cramped in this bin here, and it was getting overcrowded. And I will show you what I came up with to store them in this video. Now, this is a basket that I have all of my cans of spray paint, but I keep the basket in my garage. And I want to literally store them all in my space so I can see exactly what I have, but I haven't yet come up with an idea on what to do with them and how to store them for the size and the small space that I have. And in this video, also, I will show you what I created and made for my glue gun, all of my glue storage, and all of the glue sticks. So why don't you come on in and let me show you what I came up with to store these items. So my first project is my paint holder, and this idea, I saw it wasn't really my idea. It's an idea I've seen done before, and I got this paper towel holder from the Dollar Tree, as well as 8 napkin holders from the Dollar Tree. And this is a Lazy Susan that I found at Walmart on clearance for $2. So, and I kept it for a while because I knew I could use it in a project, as well as these are zip ties that I will be using, and I will use quite a few for this particular project. And the size that I'm using is on the screen, and I got the different sizes from Amazon. And this is the final look, and I thought it came out pretty good, and I can store up to 56 I think in here. And whoever came up with this idea, because like I said earlier, I saw it floating around here on social media, so I decided to take a go at it, and it came out perfectly. Now for the glue caddy project, I'm using an old crafting board, but you can also use an old cutting board. And also these are the wooden planks from the Dollar Tree, and I have 4 of them. And these are the wooden boxes, also from the Dollar Tree, as well as this utensil that I found in the kitchen section. I'm not sure what the name of it is, but it is a kitchen utensil that's in the Dollar Tree. Now, as you will see in this video, this particular project is very quick, easy, and simple. I'm going to, and this is optional, I'm going to paint and decorate my boxes and some of the items, and then I'm going to glue it together, and pretty much that's it. And I'm just going to glue everything down to the board. And here's the final look on my glue caddy, and I have well enough space to store all of my glue sticks, my tall ones and the smaller ones, as well as all of my glue guns. Now for this caddy, I will only be storing my glue sticks and all of my glue guns in it, and all of the other glues and the bottles of glue, sticks, those type of things, they're going to be stored in the container that I had everything in from the beginning, and it was really overcrowded. And I've even had my stapler was in there as well, and I moved it out and put it in this basket. Well guys, that is it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating and making these items. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel so you can receive future notifications on all of my videos. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.